Approximately 400 kilometers that way, there is the Norfolk Island. It isn't really famous or popular, but it's an external territory of Australia, and it was around 200 years ago a penal colony for the Brits. They had one single item they manufactured and exported, and that was water filter or dripstones. The island has a lot of calcareonite. It's a type of limestone. Sand-sized grains consist around half of its volume and creating a lot of little pores, and those pores allows water to percolate through. And they used convicts to extract these and to manufacture these products. It was not an easy job, because sometimes they worked like 14-16 hours a day, and they had to stand in seawater for probably many hours when they were accessing outcrops offshore. These dripstones were very popular in Australian homes and on board of ships, and they were even featured in the first international expo in London. When I was in Sydney on Cockatoo Island, there is a prism museum. In the prism museum they featured an old dripstone, and it looks like there is a bowl carved inside that they put water inside, and the water can come through, and there is a little bowl where they can drink it from when it collects. And back then they did not know that inside those little pores typhoid can grow, and actually it makes this dripstone not even useless but actually harmful. But the water it created was actually clear and good tasting, so that's why they thought it's a nice and clean and safe to drink water. In 1890 there was a professor in Sydney who using a microscope took some samples from this clear water and analyzed it, and he found out that this typhoid can grow and it is harmful. So after that they actually phased these out, and they started to use a different water filter. These days, of course, water filtering involves all kinds of steps, different methodologies, from physical, mechanical clearing to biological, chemical, and even electromagnetic radiation like UV lights. So, well, I guess back then everything was a bit more difficult.